It took me 8 years to do it, and I wish I've done it sooner. So
I decided to come and see Dr. Rawad because I've heard he's a very experienced dentist. Some of my friends in the past have come here and said great things about this practice and the clinic here.
I must admit, it's absolutely amazing. It's spot on, right? So you could get everything here. The level of clinic itself and the level of support is absolutely amazing.
It's been a fantastic course so far. The teaching has been excellent. I think it's really important for dentists to know how to replace missing teeth a long time, so that's why I'm here.
I feel like the experience was great. I feel like the knowledge that we've been given was amazing. Very patient, they explain everything to you, they go through the stages step by step.
I felt very excited to come in because I've never been to Lebanon. I heard it's a good place and yeah, people are very friendly, but it's the training that I will get here that is why I come.
I highly recommend this course to my colleagues and other dentists.
Sign up and come in and do it because you won't regret it.
Book your ticket to Lebanon, come down here, get the experience and confidence you need, and then go back home and see how much you improve.
I'm sure they will learn a lot.
Definitely recommend going for courses like this.
Don't wait, do it today because it's going to be beneficial for you and for your patients.